Hi guys, this video is for all men or women who think that the minoxidil hair regrowth treatment is super greasy and they want to just stop using it. So I've been using this brand, that's the Equate from Walmart, for quite a while because it's actually super cheap. It costs only, or it is below $20 for a 3 month packaging, and I was actually happy with it. I mean, I didn't have a lot of success, but I think it was better than doing nothing. But the only problem was that I was hesitating to use it during the night because when I applied it before bedtime, it was super oily and super greasy. When I applied it in the morning, it was not so bad. It was able to dry during the day, but I noticed that, I tended to skip the nighttime procedure, and of course, if you don't do that, the success rate will be much lower, or like almost nothing. You have to do it twice, and the problem is really, if you use this, it's so greasy, your pillow will be greasy, you can stain your bed, and it's really ugly, it's nasty, and I've been using that for 3 or 4 years, and I have seen other products, of course, but I didn't know that there is so much of a difference. I've just seen that there is a foam, also from the Equate. There's a foam. Here you have the 6 months packaging. It's $49, so it's a little bit more expensive than the normal liquid solution. But I thought it's just a foam. What's the difference with the foam? It's a little bit easier to apply, but what's the big deal? But finally, after 3 or 4 years, I found out that the foam is less greasy. Yeah, I don't know if everybody knows that. I haven't been aware of that for 4 years. I've been struggling with the product, and because it's so greasy, and I didn't know that the foam is much less greasy. You can buy the original, but it's super expensive. You see, it's almost same price as the replica from Walmart for 6 months. And I have good news. There is also a product online on Amazon which is even cheaper. So that's the one which you see here. I think it's the cheapest foam available on Amazon with good reviews. It's $41 only for a 6 month packaging. When you compare this to the 3 months topical solution from Walmart, it's almost same price, and it's the foam. And I've been ordering that, you see, a couple of days ago, and I've been using that 2 or 3 times now, and I'm super happy with it. So if you apply that just after showering, the scalp will be still enough moist so you can distribute this thing very well. And yeah, even at night time, it's actually no problem. You have to hurry a little bit. It's not like the normal topical solution where you can work on for almost as long as you want, because I think it's glycerine or something like that in there. This is not the case. This is just like some, I don't know what's in there, some alcohol or what's in there. And it's super easy to apply, but you don't have a lot of time. You have to be faster, of course. But after that, after 1 minute, you can go to sleep and you won't stain your pillow or your bed or whatever. This is a really awesome solution. So I just wanted to let you know. It's hard to believe that people are not aware of that, and yeah, I haven't been aware of that. So even after using that for a couple of years, so sometimes people are just not aware of basic things, and I just wanted to let you know. And I will put down the link to this awesome product here into the description, so you can order it right from here. Of course, it's an affiliate link. It will help my channel, but it doesn't have any disadvantages to you. So hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.